industry now, Sonish Chem Industries. It is around total around 40 years old.
Madkaim Industry.
We have shifted here last 13 years back. 2011 we have shifted.
किती products आहेत तुमचे?
We are in process equipments. Process equipment म्हणजे we are in chemical plant जो लागता आणि process we are making like reactors, heat exchangers, मागीर storage tanks, मागीर pressure vessels. All the items required for chemical plants, mainly for chemical plants. We are also in some export-oriented equipment like oil filters, edible oil filters. They are mostly exported to African countries, some European countries, and also like Nepal, Sri Lanka, and all. And plus, we are directly exporting to one Japanese company called Kurita Engineering. So we are making them spare parts for press filters, and they are exported to Japan. Mainly, we are in equipments, fabrication, and specialized equipments.
किती प्रॉब्लेम्स असतात त्याचा तुमच्या इंडस्ट्रीला?
Problems now we have a strength of around 80 to 90 staff, and mainly we are facing problem of voltage fluctuation. Electric voltage fluctuation. Now today there is no voltage, so some 2-3 machines are off. We cannot work. And another is water supply is there. So that is continuous problem for last so many years. Saturday, Sunday we are not getting water, and we don't use water for our production, but for cleaning, for this thing staff, washing and all that is only. No garbage collection here. Street lights are not there. Even transport here, problems are there transport, but people have now scooters and all, so that is manageable.
खूपशा इंडस्ट्रीनी जेन्ना आमी वयता तेन्ना तांकां स्किल लेबराचो इश्यू जाता. तुमकां आसा?
Goyan difficult skilled labor मेळपाक, so we want to rely on other states to get skilled labor, and the work, particularly the work we require, no, so and it takes long time to develop the locals.
तमनाल लायन्स म्हणटात ज्यो पावर लायन्स येवपाच्यो आसात, ज्यो अपग्रेडेड आसतल्यो, ते येयले जाल्यार पावर इन्फ्रास्ट्रक्चर इम्प्रूव जातले.
Let us see after this thing installation. That the work is going on. Let us see. We hope for the best. But now we are facing problem. Presently we are facing problem. If we are stable, then we are also, then government is stable because we are paying GST, we are paying tax and all, and we are also giving employment to around 70-80 people. So if we grow, so our employment also grows. So that is मातशें लक्ष दिवपाक जाय.